Hello everyone, this is China K-Size. Today, we will introduce the KWS-5000. This sensor is designed to measure the concentration of carbon dioxide, CO, in water. It is based on the NDIR, non-dispersive infrared absorption principle, offering high reliability and operating independently of oxygen. First, let us briefly introduce the maintenance of the KWS-5000. Do not use the product for long periods in environments with high dust density. Calibrate the sensor regularly. The recommended interval is no longer than 3 months. The protective cover on the housing is removable. If the housing openings become clogged, the protective cover can be removed and cleaned. Wiring. Next, we will introduce the wiring of the KWS-5000. The unit in my hand is the RS-485 version, which comes with UART by default. As you can see, there are a total of 6 wires. Red, VCC, 12 VDC. Black, GND. Green, UART RXD. Yellow, UARTTXD. White, RS-485A. Brown, RS-485B. This test uses the RS-485 interface. So we connect VCC, GND, RS-485, and RS-485B. Here, I will not go into further detail. After completing the wiring, do not turn on VCC for the time being. First, confirm that the wiring is correct. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands? After confirming that the wiring is correct, you can proceed to power on the device. The sensor I am holding uses the Modbus RTU protocol. Now we place the sensor into the water. Next, I will demonstrate how to read the measurement data and show the real-time measurement changes after blowing air. The sensor I am holding uses the Modbus protocol. First, the sensor's baud rate is 9600, and the default Modbus ID is 0x20. The measurement data is stored at register address 0x000, and we use function code 03 to read it. The read command is 20030000002 plus Modbus CRC check. Click Send. The serial port parameters are set as follows. No parity. 8 data bits and 1 stop bit. After completing the settings, click Send. You can see that the sensor returns data. Now let's analyze the response. 20 represents the sensor address. ZER. 03 represents the function code. And the following 4 bytes are the data, which are 002000387. Among them, 0387 represents the current measurement value, in ppm. Converting 0x0387 from hexadecimal to decimal gives 903, which means the measured carbon dioxide concentration at this moment is 903 ppm. Real-time measurement change after blowing air. Now we blow a breath of air toward the sensor. And read the data again by clicking Send. You can see that the measurement value gradually increases, and the data has changed to 03C9. After reading once more, it becomes 03DF, indicating that the measurement value is still increasing. Converting 0x03DF from hexadecimal to decimal gives 991, which means the current carbon dioxide concentration in the water is 991 ppm. That concludes the demonstration of reading the measurement data. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.